at Kalatao.
Mabuhay and good day everyone. So today we will discuss the current sustainability practices, sustainability issues, and intervention activities of Tea Garden Kalatao, the attraction we chose last task performance. So before we start, I would like to introduce myself. I am May Grace A. Oriente with my members Nika Ayla Morano, Angel Laika Literatus, Ashley Megan Trompeta, Miss Janelle Rose Canoy, and Fiona Sofia Badillas, and Princess May Rivera.
And now, let us talk about the current sustainability practices in the environment. So, the Tea Garden has been promoting green and open spaces within the city. It provides a natural setting that encourages people to appreciate the environment more. The area is surrounded by plants and landscape gardens which help reduce pollution and improve air quality. The management also practices proper waste segregation in some areas and ensure cleanliness after events. These actions contribute to the attraction's goal of maintaining an eco-friendly space where people can relax and reconnect with nature.
Now, let's proceed to the current sustainability practices under socio-economic. Economically, the garden supports local employment by hiring staff from nearby communities. It also gives small business opportunities to sell food and other local products during the event. So, this helps boost the income of residents and encourages community participation. So, socially, the garden plays a role in preserving Filipino culture by being a place where families gather to celebrate traditions, birthdays, and reunions. So, it helps strengthen social bonds and community pride.
Now let's proceed to the sustainability issues of Tea Garden. Economically, Tea Garden heavily depends on peak seasons such as holidays and weekends. During off-peak months, visitor numbers drop that affects the business income and the employee stability. So in social culturally, overcrowding during big events can reduce the comfort of guests and damage the site's natural charm. There is also a risk of commercialization, which might make the place lose its peaceful and natural identity.
And let's proceed to the topic of intervention activities of human resources and marketing strategies. For human resources, additional staff or voluntary can be assigned as an eco monitoring during events to ensure compliance with the sustainability rules. In terms of marketing, the Tea Garden promotes its green activities on social media to raise awareness. Campaigns such as Go Green with the Tea Garden or Celebrate Responsibility can attract an eco-tourism conscious guest. Partnering with local schools and environmental groups can also strengthen community involvement.
Now, let's go on to intervention activities. To address this issue, we recommend several intervention strategies. First, to minimize littering the garden, can implement a clean as you go campaign with more visible trash bins and reminders. Second, to manage noise and resource use. The attraction can set event guidelines for sound limits and energy efficient lighting. These strategies can be implemented within 3 to 6 months, depending on the cooperation of both staff and visitors. And that's it.
In conclusion, the garden plays an important role promoting sustainable tourism within General Santos City by maintaining cleanliness, managing resources properly, and engaging the community. It can continue to provide a relaxing and eco-friendly space for everyone. Our proposed strategy aims to balance tourism growth and environmental protection, ensuring that the garden remains a beautiful and sustainable attraction for future generations. Thank you, and that ends our presentation.